Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your lies for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
I'm not tell you, I'm rich. Right now, 150 million. You know the restaurant there? 150 million. Actually, let me say, actually, me just hungry. Me just fuck with them and come.
I'm loving you for the moment and no good life. I lay with you, make myself at home. Make you feel like you're in control. Take my time, I'm gonna take it slow.
Hey there, boy. So we're gonna order food now? Sure. But I have a surprise for you first.
Sexy ladies, slow baby when you wine party. Slow baby when you wine party. Oh baby when you wine party. Slow baby when you wine.
No! I want to pop the restaurant! No, sir!
Yo, what you do?
I'm here in my bed laying down.
You know, say the general there, honey, and me want to have phone sex. Take off your brassiere.
Okay.
But hold on there. How your breast them look good so now?
I didn't tell you I did my breasts.
You do your breast. So the other day when you take my blood clot money, say you go to school, at breast you go do with my blood clot money then?
Why are you acting like that?
What you mean why me a act like that? Me a go want back my breast them.
Really? What are you gonna do it then?
Well, since you can't give me back my money, better me just take back my breast them and go sell them on eBay.
Well, I don't know what you're gonna do, but I'm not give back my breasts then.
So, a warrior gonna make me blood clot warrior over breast girl. You know what? Everything good. Every blood clot thing good. Yo, me a go kill a girl for them breast here.
Yo, that. Look here. How much carat gold that? 12 carat gold, boy. A biggie. 12? That's still weird? My a biggie that chain that. 12? My woman plan to buy me a chain today. Wait till she come. I go see real chain, my you. 12. Like a real gold. Grandfather give me a chain. I have a surprise for you. You buy it? 14 carat. I count it myself. That you don't see that have no sense.
Oh, you can't take like a joke, muscle face. Watcha. Say the things I feel bad. But since we are play, you need to tell Nasa to stop work with your teeth them. Them experience too much space already. You have space teeth, boy. That's why you can't go. That's why you're ugly. Oh, my mother coming at me. Now you say we play. Not so hard.
Funny that it's always been
Sorry.
all about you from the start. I met someone new.
Mommy, Beyonce is pregnant.
Beyonce is pregnant. Hey, that is good. Oh. What is she having, boy or girl?
She's having twins.
Twins?
Yes.
How do you know?
She posted the picture on Instagram.
Let me see. She posted pregnant picture on Instagram.
Yes, mommy.
Does she know that everybody can see it?
Yes, but it's not a big deal.
She's not scared of witches doing something to her.
Mommy, this is America.
And then why is she kneeling down in front of flowers? As if she's at somebody's funeral. Wait, my head, my chest. Is that ordinary bra that she's wearing? Ordinary bra.
It's a fancy bra.
Somebody's mother, married woman. My daughter, unfollow her. You don't need this type of role model in your life. Next thing you know, you start posting ordinary bra and pants on Instagram. When you finally find a husband and you get married and you get pregnant, if I hear that you want to post your pregnant picture on Instagram, I will personally deliver you to God myself. Unfollow her.
Time to link up, Jaya. Don't know, sir.
Yo, hello?
Yo, Jay, for the general. How you deal with general? Like a dash with general. Everything's there. You good?
Yeah, man, it's good. Yo, PT production.
Oh, listen, I'm good still. I mean, I could have worse, so I can give God thanks to you, man.
See them, man. Yo, this is still kind of busy right now. So we talk to you. you?
You good?
Your mama good one, it's on so.
Out here rough, you know, Johnny. Times and them thing there. Boy, all this Kellyanne can tell you about them time. They could have bring her one thing or send her one thing.
Boy, dog, anything you need, you might just call me, dog. You're good.
Think about tomorrow, man.
See how what? Good.
You've reached the voicemail box of 3.
Short him, man, the magic job. So, yeah.
Hello?
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Is this Mr. Richards?
Yeah, this is Mr. Richards. How may I help you?
You see, you look a dog face, boy. Eh? You feel someone begging nothing youth? Eh? Eh? You have man a begging like you feel someone funny youth? Eh? You feel someone love sweets like me and honey youth? Eh? I mean, you could have sent a little barrel not even money youth? Eh? Eh? You see your hair look like skeleton in a soup? Eh? You see your face look like what's next? Eh? You see your nose shape like two jokes, no? Eh?
Oh, it's too
You know, you're not from here, no, boss. I don't want from here, no. I see people like you fly out and forget man, them, no. People like you, me and leave my house.
Listen, my phone just block all its number. And I mean, do it. It's up. I don't know. If I get the PCS or AT&T, just block all its number, dog.
Remember saying the flow in my, you know, but I feel someone needy in my life, you know, youth. That me can do this.
See you again.
Ladies! Oh, oh. Girl, put your body on me.
Oh, oh.
Yeah.
Baby girl, you look so good tonight. Good tonight. Good tonight. Seeing you dance in the flashing lights. Flashing lights. Flashing lights. Dance floor park full of people. You and I in the middle. And the DJ's playing our favorite songs. One by one, I'm feeling your heartbeat pulling me closer, closer. One by one, with every touch I'm feeling it stronger, stronger. One by one, believe you and me, we're falling in love. Cause all the faces are fading around us. One by
So everything alright up at
Yes,
school?
Grandma. Yes,
Alright
Grandma.
then. So when you
Alright
come
then.
over?
Yeah,
Alright,
yeah.
if anything little later then.
Alright,
Later may
later, yeah.
talk. No, not cut me yet, not cut me yet. As a matter of fact,
Yeah, yeah.
you didn't link Mars John to get this in thing.
Yeah,
When you ask about it. When you got it. Hold on, how you come so? You take any Panadol or anything? Make sure
No,
you take
man,
up your
no,
vitamin
man.
C, you know. Make
No,
sure you
no.
boy. No cut me yet, no cut me yet.
Alright,
Hold on.
later.
It's like you forget says a flow credit me by. My $100 credit now don't know.
Yes, Grandma.
Me can talk from now till
Yes,
you're
Grandma.
my age. And it's still not done. So stay there.
Yes, Grandma.
No cut me yet, no cut me yet. As a matter of fact,
Alright,
sing
tomorrow,
a song with me. The way we credit now done. Some sweet day, I'm going away.
Tap. Back at it again, people. As you know, Facebook era, I have 2 dancer released this weekend. You have Wingworm, I have Confused Wine. You see me, I say, at first you don't know how Ringworm go already. You see me? Ringworm, you know Ringworm. You know, Wingworm, that is the Ringworm. I have Confused Wine. You see me? Confused Wine. I don't know a girl when I like date already, I want to really build a dance if I know Wingworm.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanil Clark. Peace.